more for now. But what we are going to talk about, oh laddie, we went to my favorite store. All right, so I've been going to this Space Age for a minute now, and I've been doing a lot of like these aerosol cans where I get them pre-mixed and I get a little spray can and I do it. Nah, it's time to upgrade, boys. I gotta learn me some painting. So what we're gonna learn on, we're gonna try to shoot some stuff on. We're gonna work on this hood and the fender. We have a lot of constraints we're working with, a lot of constraints. Mainly the weather. The heat is not, you do not want to paint above a certain temperature, and I do not believe that I should be painting at all, but I'm used to an early-ish schedule, so I'm used to getting up early, and when I get up, it's about 80 degrees out versus the 90 or 100. Might look like a total crap show, but I'm learning, and I think that's what all I want this channel to be about. It's about breaking the boundaries, setting goals for yourself, and overcoming those things you don't want to do. I'm pretty scared of this one, boys. I'm thinking it's gonna be Drip City because you know how I love the drip. So, anyways, that's the intro. What do you think of that? Moving on. Lovely assistant Vanna White here. I just dropped the first one down somewhere in there, so we're off to a good start. All right, there we go. And then we're gonna get the fender off first because it's easier, I think. There's the fender. I'm more happy with this one because it's got more of the material on it than that one. We're pressing our luck, and you can see paint's completely missing in some areas, and we're gonna see how this Tide does on this. Hopefully it doesn't remove the rest of it. I'm just host, but yeah, I gotta scuff this up after I clean it.
Wait, is it malloy?
Garage cleared out. Time is what? 5:14, August 7th. Humidity 30%, 78 degrees, and it feels hotter in here because the house is radiating heat. Let's talk about the gun for a sec. This gun was given to me from a coworker. Thank you, Chris. You're the man. Thank you for the great comments you always bless the channel with. Thank you. God bless. Thank you. Bought one of these. I think they're like a filter type setup, so it filters any moisture or oils that go through here. I got this from the old Space Age as well. All right, round 2. Fight.
Wait, is it malloy? Is it malloy?
What a process. Holy shit, man. I'll be happy if it looks okay at best. Ooh, yo. Check this out. Process indeed, I was right. Man, I think I messed up on like every step of the way. First I was fighting with the gun. I couldn't get the fan right, then I couldn't get the material right, then the pressure was going up and spiking and the regulator wasn't regulating, and then I had to turn it down, or it was regulating but the knob must have been sliding. I really don't know why it kept doing what it was doing, but that's why I wanted to do like a temporary inner room paint job in my garage. This is my first time using a HVLP or high volume low pressure gun in a garage setting at home. I've never really painted. I painted like once at work, but nothing like to like on my own. Nothing like this, you know. And could have turned out a lot better. It looks like there's some orange peel, and had I had maybe you can see dry areas that aren't clear, like that aren't like glossy, and then our areas that are clear that have enough material, or like glossy that have enough material. So, and then there's a lot of dirt in the paint. So that's just a lot of stuff that I could have avoided, you know, maybe the dirt, and there's less dirt here, but just some like anomalies, like these kind of suck because those are going to be there unless I cut them off with like a X-Acto blade, but they're those are gross. But yeah, you can see where I did get the material on. It started to look okay, but the problem, it was just, I think it was too hot, humidity was too high, and I wasn't getting the material out fast enough. Hopper was not dropping the paint through. Just a lot of constraints, and I'm glad I had the experience, because I'm definitely interested in doing this at a different level when I get to that point. Though right now I don't have the backing. I just wanted to get this more uniformly looking so that I don't have multi-panel, and that these don't rust, and that I don't waste money on the hood, even though I feel like I already did, because we all know this situation down here still needs to be remedied, boys, and that's not looking too hot. So I got to do that today. I got to fix the hole so I can get some actual torque on those, not torque, but like these cinch down better, these collars, and make sure I get my cement on this time. Hopefully it'll be the last time I have to install these collars, because they're frustrating. So I'll need to cut the little bit of excess material out of there so it gets some more circle going, so I have more room to get pliers and stuff on there to get torqued down. What a journey, guys, you know? And I'm only gonna get better, but I'm happy with the turnout, considering the constraints, considering how bad it was going. In terms of like at one point the compressor shut off and the lights shut off, and I popped a breaker, went and fixed it, popped it again, fixed it again. I had to unplug lights. I had less lighting to deal with, so it's just like, this is what I needed. I needed a shit job so that when I want to go do a nice job, I know what I need to do. guys, I'm happy with it. Some blemishes, I tried fixing them, and you can see that it didn't work, so that's okay. It's my first run, but man, not too bad. Pretty sweet for under 78 bucks. DIY. All right. Car looks somewhat normal again. I mean, obviously it's 50 shades of white, but I love it. So, boys, check this out. If you liked what you watched, if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. And keep an eye out for some fresh content in the next couple days, and we'll be talking about it. But this is just the beginning, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Very temporary, hopefully, paint job for the hood and fender here, but yeah, man, just basking in it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, boys.